Ciao Tesla people, there is a software update and it's the 2025.2.8. I already downloaded, so I wanted to start the installation. There'll be probably several new features, not all for the same cars. There are different features for different cars. So let's start the installation and we do the install now. Okay, and then to skip the 2 minutes waiting, you just tap on the screen and that's it. It starts. So installation started. As soon as it's done, it should be maybe 25 minutes or something like that. I'll do a time lapse so you don't have to wait. When it's finished the installation, we'll talk about the new features and the changes. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So download installation are done, and you see here there's a blue dot. That means there is a new feature. So let's check it out. Which one is it? It is in service. So we go to service and we go camera visibility. It's one of the changes that Tesla mentioned in the release notes. Here's the release notes. And this camera visibility detection, at the end of your drive, you will receive a notification when poor camera visibility is detected. To view these changes, images, go to Service, Camera Visibility. Images do not leave the vehicle and are not shared unless data sharing preference permit. They are automatically deleted after 2 days. To review your data sharing setting, go to Software Data Sharing. Okay, so let's go to Service, Camera Visibility. Let's go back. And it was in service, where is service? Here, and camera visibility, the blue dots is here. So let's go there, and there are no camera images. So if there are any issues with the cameras and they figure out that there are problems, you'll see some images here, and these images will disappear in 2 days, or if you are sharing your data with Tesla, they will detect, get the cameras, get the images, and figure out why there are some issues. Okay, so that's the main features that they added. But I see that there are other features. So I'm checking out again nottesla.com site. So there is this camera, and there is another change for this is only for Cybertruck. And it's the wiper wash updates. Pressing and holding the wiper wash button now dispenses additional fluid after a second cycle, helping to clean stubborn contaminants more effectively. Okay, good. Then there is this camera visibility detection, and these are all for all models, S3, X, Y, and Cybertruck. And then there are a bunch of changes in the FSD. Supervised version 12.6.4. It doesn't apply to me because here in Europe we don't have FSD. And then there are a bunch of changes. And then there is the FSD supervised version 13.2.8. Again, it doesn't apply to me. So you check out the full log in the Not Tesla app site. Let me see if it applies to you, of course. Otherwise, you don't care about this, guys. There are a bunch of changes. And then it starts FSD supervised from park. This is interesting because where there is FSD, you can start it right away. You don't have to drive and then start it. You are parked somewhere and you say start FSD and it will do it. You need to enable it, okay? So there is a feature for that. Full self-driving, again, it doesn't apply to Europe. Oh, here, update in data sharing, improve your vehicle safety and convenience features such as siren recognition by choosing to opt in and share sound detection data with Tesla. A short audio recording is collected when approaching emergency vehicle is recognized. You can change your data sharing preference anytime, even if your opt-in sound detection that is not associated with your account or VIN. Okay, so let's check it out, this guy, if it's something that I need to enable or not. So if you go to, let me see, data sharing. Okay, so data sharing is in service, should be in software, I think, all the way down. Data sharing. Okay, and here there is allow autopilot and improvements, include starts and down drive, include data driven parked, allow cabin camera analysis, and allow road segment data analysis. Okay, and allow charging data analysis. Okay, yep. So accept selected. Okay, so there is not in let's see, I don't know if it's the audio recording of outside for the sirens are included in one of these guys, because it says certain data when parked, allow cabin camera analytics, road segment data analysis. However, protect your privacy. There is no an explanation on each one of this right here. Maybe in the manual I have to check. Anyway, what this change makes, if your Tesla detects audio of a siren, it will share it, so they improve this detection, which is pretty good. This good. And then the other changes are already been included in the previous updates. So these are all the changes for now. Let's see if there are undocumented changes in the coming days. If there are, I will make another video. I will check the sites and X, Twitter for to see if people figure out some other things, and I will do it the same thing. Anyway, if you have a if you buy in a Tesla, use my Tesla referral. You can get up to $2,500 or 500 euros here. So check my Tesla referral, use my link, and please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.